Let's make pasta with greens, beans, and chicken. First, let's wash our hands with soap and warm running water for at least 20 seconds. Let's start with the ingredients. 1 box whole wheat pasta, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 half onion chopped, 3 cloves garlic chopped, 2 cups leftover chicken, or you could substitute 3 chicken sausages cooked and chopped, or 2 cups of canned chicken. And more ingredients. 6 cups spinach, stems removed. You could also use 1 bunch Swiss chard chopped. 1 can of beans, drained. You could use cannellini, Great Northern, or navy beans. 2 cups low-sodium chicken broth, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, and 1/2 cup Parmesan cheese, grated. And optional but tasty, 1 cup of mushrooms, chopped and sautéed in a teaspoon of vegetable oil. Let's start by boiling our pasta according to the package directions. Remember that whole wheat pasta takes a little longer. Drain your pasta. Start by heating your oil in a large skillet. Add your onions and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add in the garlic. Add in the chicken and the beans. Toss in the spinach. Add the broth and the Italian seasoning. Let it cook down for a few minutes. The spinach will wilt. Now add the pasta. And don't forget to toss in the mushrooms. Add some salt and pepper to taste. And don't forget to sprinkle on the Parmesan cheese before serving. Enjoy!